How to change Pinterest email address. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button because our channel is really small, and if you subscribe to our channel it will really help our channel grow and motivate us to post more videos. So now let's head to the video. First we open the Pinterest app. It's very quick and simple. Once you open the Pinterest app, on the bottom right you'll find your saved icon. You have to click on that and your profile will open. Once your profile opens, on the top right you will find 3 lines. You have to click on that and then you have to choose the setting options. Once you choose the setting options, you have to click on account management. Once you click on account management, here there will be an option of email. You have to click on that. You have to cancel it and add the new email ID to verify it that you want to connect to your Pinterest ID. Make sure that email ID exists and it's a valid email ID. It might ask you a verification code on your email address after changing it, and that's it. So this is how you're able to change Pinterest email address. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.